welcome to another slime video. This is the same then.
Right, slime video.
Yeah,
Go on then.
another one.
So we made some slime earlier, didn't we?
Yeah, can you show them all three?
No, we've shown them already. So
This one, that is, and we're gonna do it.
and Daddy's made a big one. So
This is Daddy's. Put them in.
it's got a bit of fluff on it. Daddy's made a big one. Look at Daddy's slime there. Look at the size of it. Look, you can do bubbles with that one. Put it in this. Put that in there. Stick it together.
You can do.
So that was mine I made earlier. Look at the hands.
Brown hands.
Blue.
Bluish, yeah. We just did a previous bubble episode, didn't we?
Yeah, we did a previous video. Wait a minute, it's slime on the wall.
That's
The
what I
symbiote.
was, that's what I was looking
There's
at.
slime on the wall.
That's what I was looking at.
So how did that get there? Wait a minute, I've got slime on. Oh my god, symbiote. The symbiote is taking over. Right, so
Look at that.
look at this.
Oh my word.
Put it in there. Get stuck in. Right, I've got some of my clothes. Guys, so
I got some.
this is what I made earlier. And what's our challenge today? Sue can make the what?
Blow the biggest bubbles.
So Sue can
Like
blow the biggest
this.
bubble.
Oh.
He ate it. He ate it.
It went
He
the
ate
wrong
it.
way.
Did he eat it?
Yeah,
He sucked in a little.
it went the wrong way. It went the wrong way. It went the wrong way.
You're supposed to be blowing the bubble, not sucking it in.
Take two.
Take two. Wow, that's a big one. Wow. That's a challenge. I've got to beat that one then. So let's see if I can beat that. We'll have 3 goes each. See, guys, comment down below, and if you tell us who can blow the biggest bubble.
I sucked it in.
Right, I've got to get this.
I sucked it in.
I've got to win this, guys. I've got to win this
It's
challenge.
white versus Jamaica.
Right, I've got to win this challenge. I've got to get it right. Wait.
My
Got to get the right consistency. Wait. Come and see the video. He's got symbiote off the wall. Right, here we go. The right consistency.
Wow! I think you've won. Wow! Did you see that big one?
Come on!
Another-
Get stuck in.
Another round.
Yes, another round. Get stuck in.
I have to
You've got to
sing it.
really take the air in your lungs. Yeah, don't suck in. You'll eat it. I get a right consistency. Oh my good night. Oh my good night. Oh.
My
Right,
God.
let me stretch it for you then, so you get the right consistency.
Can you hold it and I blow it?
Yeah.
So I don't suck it in.
No.
So I
you
don't
practice.
consume it.
Wait, so you don't consume it. Yeah, good. That seems about right. Now go. That's a good one. Good. That's a big one. And it's stretched and you burst it. That's my go.
I blew A.
Guys,
I blew A.
if you enjoyed this video,
That was
see who can
so
make
funny.
the biggest one. Comment down below. We'll read your comments below and find out who's made the biggest bubble.
I can't believe I consumed
Right, here it goes. Wait. Watch from that side so you can see. Oh,
What? No!
you burst my bubble.
No, I haven't.
I mean me. I burst my bubble. Right, here we go.
I burst you bubble.
Like so.
So
It's got to be right.
I can win it. I can
So
win
it's
this.
close, before it starts to fall. Keep going. Big one.
My face went into that one.
Right, my go. So we'll see who wins the round. It's 2 more rounds to go. Oh, sorry, I said 1 round to go. Did I go first?
Yeah,
Wait.
I think so. I'm just looking for my hide.
Right, ready. What are you doing? What are you doing? That.
I got it on you.
Oh, you pranked me. He's pranked me, guys. Why? Oh my gosh,
I was holding it.
you pranked me.
I was saying I was going to watch from behind.
Guys, he's pranked me with a shaving foam. You're going now.
That was so funny.
You're going now. You got to blow this.
I distracted you.
Right. So you got to blow.
I was trying you.
Right.
You can shave your beard
Get
off
us-
with that, Lenny.
Get us the right consistency.
It's on your beard. You can
Guys,
shave
comment
your
down,
beard
comment down below if you want me to shave my beard off.
off. No.
Lad doesn't want me to, but I think I want to shave my beard, or I'll dye it. Right, ready? One more. Yes.
Revenge.
Right, guys, comment down below if you enjoyed that video.
This was like a prank video.
A prank. It's like a prank, a mixture of prank and making bubbles. Guys, well done. Shaving film. Stop it.
My face.